We all buy property, or at least yearn to have one. And some lucky one of us are fortunate enough to buy more than one property. Take Tim, for example. He has bought a triplex. He lives in one part of the property while renting out the other parts. Sounds familiar? This concept is called house hacking, a timeless strategy of accumulating wealth while lowering or even sometimes totally eliminating your housing costs. In simple terms, house hacking means buying out a small multi-unit property, living in one unit and renting out the others, just like Tim. You can use the money earned through the house hacking for a variety of purposes ranging from investing to paying your mortgage, taxes, or outstanding sum, giving you an additional income vehicle to drive into the world of financial security. So what makes house hacking such a game changer for an investor? Let's dive a little deeper. Financing. When buying a property to live in, you choose to finance through an FHA loan. You can get a property for just 3.5% down. In other words, buying a $300,000 property, it will only need you to put down $10,500. Being a landlord. Do you think you want to be a full-time investor? New real estate investors can get valuable landlording experience with a relatively low amount of risk to understand concepts like advertising your vacancy, tenant screening, tenant management, understanding rental agreements and contracts, dealing with unanticipated housing issues and repairs, negotiating with contractors, and bookkeeping. So if you're looking to lower or eliminate your housing costs and accumulate wealth in real estate, house hacking is the perfect place to start. House hacking will help you achieve financial freedom.